Why am I not getting the job? Now, that is something that has been going on through your head, and you're wondering, what am I doing wrong? Why am I not getting this job? I've done everything else that I should do. Upskilling, yes, thumbs up, I have done that. I've done everything, but I am not getting this job. I apply on different platforms. I'm trying my best, but I'm still not getting the job. What is the problem? Why are recruiters not seeing me? I don't understand what is happening. My friend has gotten the job on the platform where I am. Everybody is all with the congratulations, I got the job, but I am still not getting this job, and you're wondering what the problem is. The truth is that most times the problem is your CV. Now, what people do not understand is that everything has become digitalized. Now we have robots doing what humans should do. So your recruiter is not even the one checking your CV. No, they are both set aside to check the CVs, and these bots are automated to look for certain things in your CV, and when they don't see, they automatically just scrap out your CV. That is why you need professionals. You need people that cover this field to do this for you. You can't do everything yourself. Let me tell you something. Last year you went about with this your CV, and you searched for this job and you did not get the job, and you were like, oh, maybe I should upskill and add to my CV. Maybe that's the problem. But now you have done that, but still getting the same results. What do? You change your CV. Your CV is your problem. Now, at Resumify, we have a lot of packages for you to help you kickstart this journey. And we understand that you're still looking for a job and you might not have the financial capacity. So we have broken it down in such a way that you can get your CV, your cover letter, and your LinkedIn optimization for just 15,000 naira. We have the package of 10,000 naira for those going for just the CV. We have the 25,000 naira for those going for executive and directors. Just get your CV okay. Let it be fashioned in a way that the bots will recognize you as someone that has the skill for the job you're going for. Work with professionals and get that excellent CV that you need to kickstart your career. Don't keep on saying, I don't have money. You need to change this. And to change this, you need action. What is the action? Changing that CV that has not been working for you. Doing things right. You need to change your life. You need to change your financial status this year. And I want to assure you that if you're going into the career journey, your CV is your number one priority. Reach out to me on the number and let's get started. Thank you.